He almost broke his ankle, trying this kick while slapping his face to the ground. I had to smile while I have some teeth. Life is too short. I was afraid at this moment, 'cause I don't want to slap my face to the ground again. Deep down, I wanted to cry, but I decided to hold. I don't know whether it was God or devil who was testing me, but I was tested. But I was like, bring it on. It's about to go down. I guess I was the one going down Murray. At this moment, I couldn't believe I was starting to suspect my neighbors with witchcraft.